Have you ever wanted to visit Six Flags Magic Mountain?
That's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, we're Cole,
Dawn,
Connor, Haley, Kinsey, and Ansley.
and we are younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold all our stuff in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now he's going to school and we are loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures like this one.
So if you're new here, hit subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click it right up here to check them out.
Today we're heading to Six Flags Magic Mountain.
Are you guys excited?
Yay!
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. So we got in and now we're headed to get some food. Last month we upgraded my membership to a Diamond Elite so that we could get 50% off everything, and I think we added one dining to that, so we're gonna go get a little free food, a snack and stuff, and then we'll buy the other stuff too. Alright, so we just ate at this place right here called Ace of Clubs. They actually had a pretty good tri-tip. Dawn and I shared a tri-tip sandwich that was really pretty good, and I have to say this time around the Diamond Elite upgrade we did on my membership was really paying off. We did that, and we also added a dining pass, so what would have been a $45 meal ended up costing us $15. That was a pretty great savings, so definitely recommend getting a dining pass on the cheap, and also if you're a member, upgrading to Diamond Elite, because definitely 50% off everything is worth it. That was definitely one of the coolest rides I've ever done. What'd you think about it?
It was great.
It was awesome. Connor timed it. How long was it now?
2 minutes.
And what do you do to ride it?
Stand.
Stand up. It's nuts. Kind of like standing with a bicycle seat under you, and you kind of half sit or stand, but it was really cool.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? Zero G parts, what you told me. It was awesome. Definitely worth riding, and being members and coming on a, what is this, Thursday in the afternoon. The only time to wait was the time it took us to walk to the front of the line. It was awesome.
Hey, look, it's Jitters.
Favorite ride ever, Connor?
Not my favorite ride ever, but it's pretty fun.
Haley, what'd you think? Again?
Yes.
What?
Mommy, it's the best ride I've ever gone on. My head was like stuck to it.
Was that so fun?
It was awesome.
All right.
I enjoyed that. The only thing was I had to squat down because the back of my head was hitting expanded metal.
I saw
And it didn't
that.
feel very good, so I squatted down so it was on the cushion. That felt a lot better. So now we're riding the Whistle Stop. We decided to take a break and let Ansley pick a ride. So this is the train ride. She and Kinsey are both big enough to ride this, and we could all chill together in the shade. Dawn, how do you think it is? It's cool, literally.
Literally.
It's in the shade. And we're figuring out what we're gonna go ride next.
One of the best rides ever.
All right. Was it fun?
Yes.
How was it, Ansley?
Great. I'm good. I have one. Now I have
That was awesome. It was so super smooth, and then you actually go on both tracks. I thought it was one or the other, but you go on one and then you come back to the beginning and start over.
Cool.
Doing the two different, the green track and the blue track.
She wants to ride the bumbling cars. When they say no loose articles, they mean no loose articles.
Yeah, I know, man. At one point point, my cap was like, and I grabbed it and threw it on backwards. But I was having to hold my pockets to keep my keys in and my wallet. It was crazy. That was intense. Like I said, that ride must have been camping because it was intense. Anyway, did you like that one? Was that the best ride of the day?
I think so.
I think it was too. I'd like to do it again. And what about that fire?
That was.
Kinda came out of nowhere.
What the heck? Why is
A blast of heat,
flamethrower.
flamethrower.
And then I saw it.
And you start off going backwards. You ride the whole ride backwards. You flip and turn. I thought, oh, nothing will come out, but I had to hold onto my pocket with my phone and my keys and my wallet. It was crazy. That was a good ending of the day. Give me some, yeah. Now we got to go find the girls who are riding the carousel. So did you guys have fun today?
Yeah!
What's your favorite thing?
X2. No. Twisted Colossus.
Mine
Or
was
X2.
Lasso of Truth.
Lasso of Truth is cool.
Haley,
Twisted Colossus.
Ansley, what'd you like?
Let me think about it.
Oh, let me think about it. Okay.
It was the thing with cactus.
The thing with cactus?
Oh, Speedy Gonzales.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
So that was a pretty awesome day, huh?
We've had fun today.
It was a good time. The kids really had fun. It was definitely the most fun we've had at Magic Mountain. Last time it was
Oh,
cold
yeah.
in November and we
For
didn't,
sure.
didn't get to ride as much. So we had a blast. The rides were really easy to get on today. Pretty much no wait time. So it was awesome.
Now we want to know, what's your favorite ride at Six Flags?
Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe and join the Younger Gang.
And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.
So going to Six Flags Magic Mountain and taking you with us, it's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Go.